This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Good evening. Can you hear me? Okay. So let us log into our account. So today, so today we'll continue. So we'll try to. Yesterday, what we did, we created an email template, we created a notification, we created a chatter group, right? So now, what we do today, we'll try to see whenever a record is created on bill object, we want to send in a email to customer saying that thanks for purchasing with us, and we want to post a notification on the user's login. But for internal employees, we want to post a notification saying that today we had a sale. And the same message I want to post into the chatter group. Okay. So what we are expecting to do whenever a record is created on bill object means whenever some customer purchase a product, so we want to send an email to customer saying that thanks for purchasing product with us. Okay. And we want to post you a message on notification and post to chatter saying that today we had a sales and so team has been purchased the product, so and so team has been closed this deal. Okay. That message we want to pass to chatter group as well as internally for all the users. I want to post a notification. Okay. So this is we are expecting to send an email alert external people, and then we are expecting to post to chat, post to notification. So three actions we are expecting to perform at a time. So this can be done with the help of process builder. So by using an option called email alert, post to chat, or post to notification. So yesterday we did all the prerequisites. We created an email template, we created a chatter group, we created a notification. Okay. So by using that, so today let's try to continue. Okay. We go to setup. In a quick find box, you can type process builder. Mhm. Click new, create in a process builder. Okay, so we have to have first email template. Okay, email template is the email alert we have to create. So that email alert we can call in a process builder. Okay, means email to whom it should go and which email template that we have to use. That one, email alert. Continue, new email alert. I'll say product purchase on which object, bill object, which email template, product purchase. I want to send to email field. Select that and then save. Now go to process builder. Go to process builder. Click new, continue in a process builder. I'll say product purchase, post to notification, post, post to charter. I want to start when a record changes occurs. Save. Now, so something it will start on a particular object. So on which object you want to perform? I want to perform on bill object, right? Select the bill object. I want to go only when a record is created. Save. So what is the criteria? See, to send an email, when a record is created, the field called email ID should have data, right? And criteria, I'll say check for fields. I'll go with the conditions. On the bill object, the field called email ID is null boolean false, means it has a value. Save. What action I want to send? Email alert. I'll say action name is okay. Product purchase alert. Now we created right product purchase. Save. So if you want to send an email like immediately, or let's say after product purchase, one day after, or after some hours, or you want to send after one day of product purchase, okay, I want to send immediately. The other actions I can define here, but what will happen? So whenever a bill record is created, if the email field has a data, then only it will come and execute. If the email field doesn't have a data, since it is a false, it will stop. So other actions, if I define, those also will get stopped because the email ID is not there. So I don't want to define here. I want to define as a separate process. So no conditions to be checked to post notification. No conditions to be checked. So what action I will say not send notification. I'll say notification. So notification type I'll say text. So notification recipient who is going to receive this. Okay. Mm. So who is going to receive? I want to send to users. Okay. Current users who log into system. Okay. So what is the notification title that I want to provide? Okay. What is the notification title that I want to provide? I'll say new new sale. So now what is the notification title? I'll say product is alert. So what is the message that I want to pass? I'll say all okay, yeah, sale that bill number I want. Action. Let's congratulate. Uh, save. Now save. Next. So next I want to post to Next, I want to post to, okay, charter group, right? Okay. So I'll select the action, add action. I'll say no conditions, no criteria to be checked. So what is an action I want to perform? Post to charter. Okay. Action ML says post to charter group. Okay. I want to post to charter group. So which group we created, right? Audit sales guy. Okay. And then post the message. Now save. Now what will happen? See, it will start on a bill object. If the email field is there, then it will send an email. After that, it will stop. For example, email field is not there. Then since it is a false, it will come post to notification. After that, it will stop. It will not go to next step. So here also, after sending an email, if you want to go to next step, just click on stop button, evaluate next criteria. Okay. And then stop button, evaluate next criteria, save, and then activate it, confirm. Okay. And then now go ahead and create a record and check. I am giving my email ID for testing purpose. Second email. Okay. Notification also we got. And go to chatter group. Here also we got. Okay. Any questions? Okay. So now once a process builder is created, once you activate it, if you want to make it changes, we cannot make it changes. Okay. Okay. Now if you want to make it change, you have to clone as a version or new process. If I say version, then I can make it changes. Okay. If I don't want, I can delete. So if I want to delete, it should be in an inactive status. Now if you go with a clone as a new process, you have to give the process name, and I can make it changes. Okay. So remember, once a process builder is inactive, it will be going in a read-only mode, so we cannot change any changes. Okay. So this is how we can talk about process builder. So with this, we are done with process builder. So next we'll get into data management. Any questions here? Any questions? Okay. So tomorrow you guys are available. Since majority of them not available, I'll stop today. Tomorrow you guys are available or you want break tomorrow? Thanksgiving Day, right? You want break tomorrow or you guys are available? Hello. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, hello.
Can hear you.
Yeah. So tomorrow we'll give a break then. Okay. So majority of them not coming. Means Thanksgiving Day, right? So you want class tomorrow or you will continue? You want break tomorrow?
I won't be able to attend the class tomorrow. I'm going to be with family.
Okay, okay. So then we'll meet Friday again. Okay.
Yep, Friday's good.
Okay. Okay then. So tomorrow I'll stop here for today. We are done with this process builder topic. So since majority of them not available, we'll start the new topic data management on Friday. Okay. See you on Friday. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.